Welcome to this lesson on comments in Kotlin. In this tutorial, you'll learn about single-line and multi-line commenting syntax, along with best practices for documenting your code effectively. Comments are text in your code that the compiler completely ignores. They serve an important purpose in programming. You can use comments to explain complex logic, making it easier for others to understand your code. They help with team collaboration by providing context. Comments also allow you to document the purpose of your code. And finally, you can use them to temporarily disable code without deleting it. Let's start with single-line comments. The syntax is simple. You begin with 2 forward slashes. Everything you write after these 2 slashes on that line is ignored by the compiler. This is useful for adding short explanations or notes on a single line. Here are some practical examples. You can place a comment above a line of code to explain what it does. You can also add a comment at the end of a line, after your code, to provide additional context. Notice how you can comment out code to prevent it from running, like the println statement here. The code below it will still execute normally. Now let's look at multi-line comments. These are perfect for longer explanations. The syntax starts with a forward slash followed by an asterisk. You can write as many lines as you need. Then, you close the comment with an asterisk followed by a forward slash. Everything between these delimiters is ignored by the compiler. Here are some real-world examples of multi-line comments. Notice how they're used to document a function with details about its parameters and return type. You can also use multi-line comments to temporarily disable large blocks of code during testing or debugging. This is much more efficient than commenting out each line individually.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.